So I got my first speed cubes from cubingoutloud.com, location in Canada here. This is the original cube, the Rubik's cube, and I just unboxed the Thunder, what's going on here? Thunderclap version 1. My son wanted to unbox it, so really interesting. This one's very springy. I don't know if I can tighten this somehow. I think I got to figure that out or whatever, but so far I like the colors. I like the orange, more fluorescence it seems. For me that works out well. But yeah, this is definitely an interesting cube. I got another couple cubes here. Anyways, that original Thunderclap I think came with a bag. Yes, got a little bag to put in, some instructions. I also got, what do I got here, a 2x2. What kind is this? A lot of, I guess, I don't know if that's Japanese or Chinese writing. This one here, Moyu Weipo. This is an little $18 cube. Good reviews. So I ordered some cubes that I well, I might as well get this one, might as well get that one. Okay, well this is interesting. I actually got this Thunderclap was supposed to be a stickerless one here, so I don't know what they can do about that exactly. But I also got a new Thunderclap, which is the upgraded version or the newer one of that. A black. I wanted to have a black one of this, and I wanted a stickerless one of this. So we'll have to maybe, I don't know, return that or whatever. And I also got a VOC 3. Good reviews on this one. This one's a $20 cube. The Thunderclaps are 12 bucks a piece. Okay, that is. Alright. Again, I like the fluorescent orange and yellow. That stands out for me. On here versus, this was a bit darker orange on the original cube. So if it doesn't, if I'm cubing in a dark area or whatever, and I see the colors on the side, it doesn't stand out as much as I would like. So these fluorescent colors are definitely the way to go for me. Okay. Okay. I guess this is interesting. This is so interesting. One thing I do, these are kind of all basically rounded the same in the centers. I don't know if that can be seen. These corners are still cornered and the centers are rounded slightly. I kind of like this design. This is nice too. But if I have to, just on the stickers, these stickers pop a bit more on the VOC, at least in this light. This camera didn't seem to be picking it up all that well. So, but the VOC 3 definitely has a little bit brighter stickers. So yeah, interesting. The Thunderclap 2 does come with a little cube box, and these are cold because they just got delivered in the mail and it is winter time. Ooh, so they're a bit slick. So Thunderclap versus Thunderclap here. And slightly different design. Actually, this Thunderclap 2 and the Vok 3 are basically the exact same setup here, which I find interesting. Very similar. Maybe that's new design as they've gone through the evolution. Vok 3 slightly smaller. Thunderclaps to Thunderclaps the same. So we'll see how these... The Vok 3 is very smooth. Wow. Okay. I'm a beginner cuber, so this is... Oh, wow. The original. Anyways, that's it for the unboxing for now.